My name is Kimberly Kelley, and I'm the Vice President and Provost for the Rockville campus, and I work at Montgomery College. One thing I wish I had known is never come to a meeting with a vague idea. Do your homework. Come with a proposal, a one-pager, with data, with evidence, with something to help the individual that's your supervisor understand your perspective, as well as why you're recommending something. So you can't just show up. You have to come and make a very serious attempt to be ready and have a good argument when you come. One of the things a provost has to do is stand up for things that he or she or they believe are right, but may not always be entirely in line with what their supervisor thinks is right. Because we all have different perspectives from where we sit. You can't ever disagree with someone effectively unless you have data, a justification, and you have something that affirms you have a good idea, because people aren't just going to take your opinion for it. I was not expecting that there would be 3 separate labor contracts at the college. Although I knew that, they are very different and require very significant attention. I did not expect that it would be that complicated, but then I had to learn how to be effective in a variety of situations, both with employees and with students, and that I would need to be highly versed in Title IX, in grievance activity, and in legal activity as well, and be a good advocate as well as a representative for the college. A provost should teach. You should have had taught something. Don't think that you can understand the experience in the classroom or curriculum if you've never taught. Get involved in all aspects of student life and faculty life. Get to know what it is that their issues are. Find a mentor. Find a mentor who's been a provost or a president who can help you understand what truly is the job of the provost.